One of our biggest goals is we're going to start dipping our toe into the AI world, creating an AI agent to go grab that information and display it on one page so that they can quickly see it, review it, close the phone, and get in and start talking to the person.
So Cori, Avidia Bank is based in Hudson, Massachusetts. About $3 billion in assets, I believe, and right at 240 employees. So Avidia was on a very tight time frame to get the system implemented throughout your enterprise. Talk to me about that timeline. I know it was about 6 or 7 months, very aggressive. So talk to me about what the rollout looked like.
It was an aggressive rollout. We went through 3 iterations of UAT because we wanted to make sure that we had a lot of exposure to our end users on what Creatio could do, what it looked like. First, UAT was really the UI to make sure it was looking good. The second UAT was actually to make sure the data that was coming into Creatio was correct from our data lake. Third one was we had to get all our legacy data in from our previous CRM, so we had to validate all that.
What's that look like for adoption?
Our adoption rate is actually about 86% of our user base is using Creatio.
I understand that Avidia had several drivers from a ROI standpoint they were really looking to achieve, and one of those being automation. Can you talk a little bit about how automation was set up, how that worked for Avidia?
Yeah, we had some really good wins with the automation. One of the biggest ones was setting up an API to our commercial lending system. So our BDOs, which are business development officers, are out on the road. They get back in. They only want to touch one system because they need to get back out there. So what we did is we made sure that Creatio had a nice clean interface. They could enter in the business information, the customer information, and when they changed the status in that opportunity, it would send that information over to the lending system so that underwriting could begin the underwriting process. So one system touch, that's it. They're good to go and back out on the road. So that saved a lot of time. Another big automation piece that we did was another API configuration to our core. And it was about fee waivers. So before we did this, our customer service representatives, a customer would come in looking to waive a fee, we would have to submit a case to Deposit Ops would review it, Deposit Ops would go to another system, and then they would do the fee waiver. But now with the API configuration, this customer service representative can just fire off that fee waiver within Creatio. We run a process in the back end to make sure that all the controls are in place, that the customer can get the fee rebate.
So with automation, Cori, was there just something that really improved processes?
So one of our biggest wins we had was with our HR department. So when an employee is onboarding or transferring, before what they would have to do is send out an email to about 7 or 8 different areas saying this person's being onboarded. And then they would have to follow up with 7 or 8 different areas to say, is it done yet? Is this all set? So what we did is we took that entire process into Creatio and created a parent case and then children cases. So the HR representative now just fills out one screen with all the information. The child cases go out to the various areas, and then the bank areas will complete their step, close the case, and HR has full view into that so that they can see when each step of the process is done, and they'll know when that employee is ready to go.
But what does staffing look like as far as maintaining and administering the system?
We do have 1 full-time administrator and 2 business analysts. So that business analyst is really tasked with identifying those pieces, then working with that unit to kind of map out what should it look like in Creatio. Then we hand it over to the admin for the build, and then we present it and it's good to go.
What are some other use cases that you were able to kind of take live, but also had some visibility to your leadership team?
One of our biggest wins in that area would be on our commercial team. When we were going to Creatio, we really sat down with our commercial team and said, what are the pain points in our legacy CRM that causes a lot of the users not to want to use a CRM? And a lot of their feedback was, too many clicks, the screens are busy, I need to be out on the road, I can't do this. So we really took that feedback to heart. And when we were designing in Creatio, we presented them with a really solid application so that we could end that pain point. It started there, and then leadership started to say, these are easier screens, they work great. Okay, team, if it's not in Creatio, it didn't happen. This is gonna be our pipeline. So it was a multi-pronged approach, but we've really increased the adoption on our commercial team.
So what's next?
What's next? One of our biggest goals is we're gonna start dipping our toe into the AI world. So our business development officers are out on the road, and their request is, I very quickly need to see information about a prospect or a customer, information like last deposit, balances, opportunities in flight, last call made to them. We have all that information in Creatio, but it's all on different tabs. So it would cause a little bit of a time constraint there to try to look for all that quickly before you run into a networking event. So what we're doing is we're creating an AI agent to go grab that information and display it on one page so that they can quickly see it, review it, close the phone, and get in and start talking to the person. So that one's really exciting. And then we're also gonna start closing the feedback loops. So with our call center being in Creatio, we're gonna make sure that we send out surveys to our customers to see how we did, but also internally. So when an employee sends a case to IT, we're gonna send out surveys there also so we can make sure our internal customers are happy, and that's all gonna be done through Creatio.